We're just getting around to setting up and decorating our living room. It's been a few months, but we finally made some progress in the dining room behind me. We've got the flooring installed, we've got the shoe molding installed, so now it's time for some decorative touches. We bought this planter recently. It's an outdoor planter, but the colors are just amazing, so it looks really good in here. And we discovered that this somewhat smallish greenery looks pretty good in it. Now, the problem is, of course, where'd it go? So everyone has their own solutions for propping up plants in planters. You can use pillows, you can use folded up blankets, you can use wadded up paper. I mean, there's a ton of things you can stick in there and put this on top of it. The problem is with a lot of them, like say if you put pillows and you have this prop there, anytime somebody walks by and hits it, it's just gonna be all wobbling around. So I'm gonna show you our preferred method. This method works great. We've used it in the past 3 houses and it's pretty much foolproof. So we have a lot of these left over from moving, boxes of all shapes, sizes, and weights. For smaller plants, we might use something like this, an Amazon box. For this one, something a little heavier. Now, what we do is first, let me put this down. First, cut the cardboard to just under the size of the planter. You want to roll up the first piece. Obviously, I've already pre-cut these. Roll up one piece so it fits around. It makes a long cylinder, just like that. Now I can take this out and I can tape it. Thank you, guys. And we just put tape, just like that, top and bottom.
Okay.
Thank you. Now I know what you're thinking, but you're wrong. You're thinking, it's just gonna tip over. But you're right, but you're wrong. That's why we use 2 more pieces of cardboard. The next one, a little bit bigger than this one, and the next one, a little bit bigger than this one, to make concentric circles, concentric cones. I don't need this right now. Just to make concentric cones around that first one. So like that. And something like that. And with this, it's not going to fall over. There we have it. Now I know what you're thinking. But what about those cardboard boxes? I can see them. Well, of course you can, because we haven't covered them yet. Okay, for hiding the cardboard boxes, you have a couple of options. I mean, you have more than a couple. You can do whatever the hell you want. It's your plan. You can do something like this, sort of a sheet moss. Doesn't look very real to me, though. I prefer these. I think they're ferns. Are these ferns?
I think so.
Ferns, whatever. I'm just going to arrange them all around here, and you'll see how good it looks. Here it is, beautifully potted, cardboard hidden, and is not going anywhere, as you can see.